132 pounds, TJ Castillo of Burlington. Jackson McCabe of Nukla, wrestling for 5th place on mat number 4. And wrestling for 5th place on mat number 3, 2A, 138 pounds. Jackson Ussel of Akron. Tyler Fehrenbach of Rocky Ford, wrestling for 5th place on mat number 3.
Now wrestling at mat number 2 for 5th place. Allie, girls 140 pounds 4A. Allie Johnson, Florence. Gracie Varner, Meeker, mat number 2.
On mat number 7, 132 pounds 5A. Jimmy Hamoudi, Amber East. Matthew Clifton, Legacy, 132 pounds 5A, mat 7. On mat 8, 126 pounds 5A. Owen Burns, Brighton. Luke Gomez, Chatfield, 126 pounds 5A, mat 8.
Wrestling for 5th place on mat number 4, 2A, 144 pounds, Daxton Abernathy of Burlington. Kyler Lagerman of Sweet, wrestling for 5th place on mat number 4.
Wrestling for 5th place in 3A, 144 on mat 12. Anthony Gonzalez, Skyview Daniel Martinez, Alamosa, mat 12, 144, 3A.
Wrestling for 5th place on mat number 3, 2A, 150 pounds, Jackson Dinsmore of Norwood. Bronson Gangard of Fowler, wrestling for 5th place on mat number 3. And wrestling for 5th place on mat number 1, 4A girls, 190 pounds, Anika Django of Fort Lupton girls.
There you go.
Rosentrader of Olathe girls, wrestling for 5th place on mat number 1.
Wrestling for 5th place on mat number 2. Girls 155 pounds 4A. Hensley Morales, Lamar. Liliana Diaz, Olathe, mat number 2. On mat number 5 for 5th place, 138 pound 4A. Trent Lanez, Air Academy. Michael Banos, Pueblo East, mat number 5.
On mat number 9, girls 235 pounds 5A. Ryland Rose, Casares, Whitefield. Brianna White, Ponderosa, 5A. Girls 235 pounds, mat 9.
Take him down, Matt.
Now wrestling in 3A, 138 for 5th place. Julian Patrick Gunnison, Ethan Deal Eaton, mat 11, 138, 3A.
Get out. Get out. Come on, Matt. There you go. Quick, yeah. Woo.
Now wrestling in girls 5A, 100 pounds for third place, Shayla Walters, Riverdale Ridge. Lily Bundy, Lewis Palmer, Matt 10, girls 105A. And in the boys, 3A 157 for fifth place. Matt 11, Miguel Contreras, Platte Valley. Trenton Sukol, Delta, Matt number 11, 157, 3A.
On mat 8, 138 pounds, 5A. Ethan Brown, Broomfield. Anthony Segura, Grandview, 5A, 138 pounds, mat 8.
Get out. There you go.
Take your time. Just water it out.
Now wrestling for fifth place. Excuse me. Now wrestling for third place. On mat number 2. Girls 105 pounds, 4A. Giovanna Castro, Abraham Lincoln girls. Uria Alvarado, Skyview girls. Mat number 2.
10-2. Attaboy. Cradle it up. Let's go. Seconds left. 15 seconds left.
Now wrestling class 5A girls, 110 pounds. On mat 10 for third place, Phoebe Gutierrez, Allen City. Gia Gable, Pine Creek. Mat 10, girls, 110.
Good high speed career, buddy.
All right, the last game. Now with the bang.
On mat 7, 144 pounds, 5A. Chase,